Hey Insiders, we've got an important update about the Elevate Insider. We have decided to move away from Apple Podcasts to host the Elevate Insider after having technical difficulties and after realizing that we cannot serve our audience in the best way possible because Apple Podcasts hides a lot of information about the people who enroll in our paid for podcast, which enables us to not truly deliver all of the content, the PDFs, and the information that we want to deliver in a way that is easier to access for the people who invest in this podcast. We've decided to take control and utilize our own platform. So what does this mean for you? You will still be able to access the podcast just like before. When you enroll back into the Elevate Insider, we will give you a link. You can simply take that link and embed it into the podcast app of your choice, and you can still listen to the Elevate Insider through one of those apps. You will now directly get access through us. So this means that you can get direct links to your PDFs. You get earlier access to the podcast, which is now on Fridays, and it allows us to deliver the experience we know you deserve for this paid resource. To keep listening, you need to re-enroll using the link in the show notes. It's an easy process, and once you're in, you'll unlock special perks like early access to new episodes, exclusive content that you won't find anywhere else. So if you want to keep getting the insider strategies that help elevate your business, hit that link, get signed up, and we'll see you inside.